Welcome back to my channel, but this time in my very own beauty room. Oh my goodness. I just keep saying, like, I understand that most likely this room will have to be a future baby's room, but I don't know. Like, I'm selfish. I'm only 23. Like, this is my beauty room. I do not want my future babies to take it. We will cross that bridge when we come to it, right? But here is my beauty room. So what I am going to do in this video is just give you guys a little tour, show you guys how I have things organized, what I've purchased for this room, and so on and so forth. Kind of like an updated makeup organization video, because I just uploaded one this summer, but that was at my mom's house, and I also kind of switched things up in my vanity, so I'm really excited to show you guys around this room. Also stay tuned because I am going to be filming a holiday home tour. I will actually have that up in a couple weeks. I'm going to try to get a few videos up before Christmas, so here goes nothing, right? Other than my sanity. Okay, just kidding. So I'm first gonna have this beauty room slash filming tour up, and then I'm going to upload a Christmas makeup tutorial, which I slightly practiced the look today, and I'm so excited. It's so unique. It's also gonna be a very simple makeup tutorial. No fake eyelashes, nothing too crazy. So stay tuned for that. I'll probably have that up the following week that I have this video up, and then I will upload a full holiday home tour. I keep wanting to say tutorial. But I thought it would be really fun to take you guys through our home. We just feel so proud of it. We worked really, really hard to get here. This home is such a blessing, you guys, and you can just feel that as soon as you walk into this home. There's so much love, there's so much positivity. I just love our home so much, and so does Elijah, and it's just the best in the entire world. And it's just the best, most comforting feeling that we are here. We did it. The stress is over. Now we can just have fun planning the little bits of our wedding, which is actually a lot. We aren't that couple to stress out about wedding planning. Everyone's like, how's the wedding planning coming? And I'm like, it's been really easy so far. This has been the stressful part. Trying to find a home, getting the pre-approval, blah, 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 blah. Hi, Oliver. Come here, honey. Oh, and our cats are so happy in our home. This is Oliver. If you guys watched one of my Shein hauls this summer, I introduced you guys to him. He's a very special kitty cat. I love them all so much. They're all very special. I'm so excited. I can't stop talking, but let's just go ahead and get into this beauty room tour. I love you so much. Let's show them around, huh? He's like, whew. He's probably worried about me. Like, mother, you are talking to yourself. Alright, you guys, here is my pride and joy. And Oliver would also like to come along with this tour. So here we are. So when you walk in, obviously you just see this clothing rack first. I got this clothing rack from Amazon, and it's actually not as good as I thought it would be. I thought that this bottom was going to be like a glossy finish, and it's just white wood. Hello. The gold I thought would be a little bit more brassy, but I still really like how it looks. So here I just kind of featured some holiday sweaters. So obviously I'm just gonna kind of alternate this clothing rack throughout the seasons, and this will most likely be the background of my videos. Oh my goodness, he just bit my leg. He's like, pay attention to me. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute, and mommy, yo. And then I just have some boots lined up there and a few designer dupe bags, which this addiction has come to a stop. Because actually, you guys, the two girls that were like the hookups on Instagram that would post the hidden links for these, they're getting sued now by Amazon. So those days are over. Good thing I bought those when I did though. And then here is my vanity. I finally just finished organizing all of my makeup last night. It took me way longer than I thought it would to organize everything, but very, very glad it's all over with. Oliver, good boy. So I just have some higher end foundations in here, and then I just have my little Chanel book from Amazon with this H&M mirror sitting on it. Honey, I love you. I'm trying to film a video. Then I have this body candle. I love it. It just gives such a, you know, that feminine aesthetic in my beauty room. And then my Mimosa Diptyque candle. And then over here, this is just my most used, most reached for products that I use on a daily basis. And then, oh, so excited. Oh, I have this drawer thoroughly organized. We got the lashes stacked over here, foundations, primers, powders. So I did keep this one acrylic organizer here just for my lip glosses because it's a great way to keep them all together. But if you watched my first makeup organization video, you saw that I had these organizers filled in this drawer, and I think it made it look way more cluttered than it needed to be. Like, I do not need every single makeup product that I own in this drawer. So this just really cleared it up. It also kind of clears my mind and helps my creativity instead of just having so much packed into one little drawer. I can open this up and be like, oh yeah, that's right, like I haven't used this in a while, instead of just reaching for whatever is on top and rolling with it each time. I'm so excited. I finally found my Morphe setting spray. It was in a random bag that I tossed it into when we were moving. And then I just have some palettes over here. That Marc Jacob bronzer, I have not opened that yet, my Chanel bronzer. So I really enjoy how this all came together. I have removed so much clutter out of this drawer, and I'm so thankful for that. I've given so much makeup that I have not touched in a long time to my mom, and I of course throw away anything that was old. And then to the left of my vanity is this little cabinet type of thing, and this is actually where some piping is. Oh hey, I could shove some extra makeup right down there. So I am just keeping this top of this blank so that our kitty cats can jump up and look out the window. And behind the door you'll see here. So if you watched my NARS Soft Matte Foundation review, you saw that I did it as a vlog style. I went to TJ Maxx and I bought this. And I was like, it's so hard to picture because I don't have a beauty room yet. I don't know if I will have one in our home, but I want this in it if I do get one, and here it is. So I do really like that spot for it. I do have another picture that I want to hang up here. It's just a silhouette drawing of a woman kind of like with her back towards you and pulling out her messy bun. I love it. I cannot wait to have it up there. I don't at the moment because the glass broke on it and there is like a whole line through it, which is very weird because it's actually plexiglass. We couldn't break the glass to get it out of the picture frame. So working on that. Hopefully I can have that up there soon. And then here is my little beauty cart. This took me a while to figure out how I wanted to organize everything because in my bedroom, in my mom's, I had this right next to my vanity because then I could just grab the brushes and palettes that I wanted to use. But there is not room for that over here. Even if I slide this completely against the wall, it still doesn't fit right there and it would look a little awkward to have it right there. So what I do is I just pick up this whole glass makeup brush container and I just plop it right over there when I'm doing my makeup. I mean, I could wheel it over, but it's not really necessary. All I really need is my brushes, and then I can just come over and pick which palette I want to use and some lip products. Oops. So this cart is from World Market. If they still have it available, I will have it linked down below. And these glass and brass makeup organizers are from Target. Again, we'll have them linked down below if they have them. This candle was actually from H&M, and I bought it for how gorgeous this container is. The candle absolutely reeked though, so we melted it out of here and got rid of it. And then on this level, I just kept it pretty simple with the fake flowers. These are from TJ Maxx. And then this jewelry container is from Amazon. I have my favorite jewelry pieces organized into there. And then on the last tier here, I just have my perfumes and my lipsticks. This is also from Amazon. I will have these linked down below if they are available. I decided to move this one over. So I just bought this Glossier You perfume while it was on sale for Black Friday, and I'm so glad that I did. They sent a free sample of that with my order from the summer, and I was like, oh my goodness, I need to get that for the winter, and I'm so happy that I did. Beautiful scent. It's very flattering and not overpowering. And then my other two favorites for the winter is of course the Black Opium. For sure, the Nest Fragrances Black Tulip. This is such a gorgeous scent. Love it for the winter so much. It is strong though, a little goes a very long way. So there is that. And then I bought this rug from Amazon and I love it. And then here we have a closet. And in here I have all of my like normal clothes in our closet in our bedroom. I have my scrubs, sweatshirts, all that good stuff. Up here I have my bags organized, extra makeup. I have my stuffed animals back there that I've had for my entire life. And then here is my filming stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed me walking you through this room. I am so happy that it's all put together and it's just clean and organized. It's such a great feeling. Alright you guys, so that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm so excited for the future videos that will be on the way. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You can also be notified every time I upload so that you don't miss a video. And also, if you could, please give this video a thumbs up for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next week. Bye! Oh, look at this nugget. You're such a funny boy. Bye guys! Kiss them goodbye.